Have you ever noticed how the cleaning agents at your home seem to multiply mysteriously, like rabbits? Suddenly there's one for the sink, one for the shower, one for washing the dishes, one for cleaning the carpets, and so forth. Would it be okay for you to create some space in your storeroom and replace all this stuff with one single product? A product which doesn't contain any extenders, and therefore only needs a small bottle but still lasts for many months. Pure cleaning power. Sound interesting? This product actually exists. It's part of the Forever Living product range. It has the article number 307 and it's called MPD2X. That's short for multi-purpose detergent.
Indeed, most detergents primarily consist of water and only a few detergent substances. As always, Forever has used highly concentrated active ingredients, and this makes it more economical to use. The name Forever also implies that it lasts longer. After its market success, the new MPD's concentration has been doubled, and it's as skin-friendly as ever due to the aloe vera ingredients. That's why it's called MPD2X.
Oh yes, and when we say multi-purpose, we really mean it. Whether you want to wash your laundry, clean your car, your tiles, your carpet, the dishes, the bathroom, whether you need a detergent, a window cleaning agent or a stain remover, it's all in this bottle. It has a faint and pleasant scent, not a strong smell of perfume. That's why it's also suitable for the washing machine.
For a normal amount of washing, it's enough to use half a capful of MPD. An entire capful should be used if the machine is very full. MPD is not only gentle to your skin, but also to the fibres of your favourite clothes. The fibres remain smooth and soft, and synthetic fibres don't become statically charged. MPD preserves the colours of your favourite pullover, since it doesn't contain any bleachers. That's really important. MPD is just as gentle to your hands when you wash the dishes with it. But watch out, it's suitable for the washing machine, but it produces too much foam for the dishwasher due to the high concentration of detergent substances. When you're washing the dishes, 2 drops are enough for a dirty frying pan. Just allow MPD to work and then rinse it off later. That's ideal for lazy people like me.
I'm just as lazy when I clean my bathroom. I fill 1 capful of MPD into an empty bottle of First Spray, or the product with the article number 1134, spraying it onto the tiles and letting it sink in. Of course, you can also order a matching MPD spray bottle with the article number 1134. This makes it much easier to clean the bathroom. Please be careful. If you use the First Spray bottle, please mark it with a red pen. I once accidentally sprayed my hair with MPD. Great. No, that's not really the place to spray it. We should use our real First Spray or the shampoo instead. When cleaning the car, it's gentle to the car paint, and the hubcaps can be cleaned in no time. Just spray it on, allow it to work, and rinse off. MPD removes all the grease. Craftsmen notice this when cleaning their most valuable tool, their hands.
Yes, and you'll see that it's a powerful grease remover when you clean the cooker hood in your kitchen. Just a few drops of MPD will remove everything in no time. When using it as a stain remover, rinse the material as soon as possible and then allow it to work. Then rinse it again thoroughly afterwards. And what about the environment? That's very important. We don't only want to treat our hands as gently as possible, but also our planet. We have some good news for you. MPD is completely biodegradable, and we don't use any so-called phosphates. So that protects our water from over-fertilization with phosphate.
That's right. Let's summarize the benefits of the detergent MPD2X. It contains stabilized Forever aloe vera. It's gentle on your hands and to the fibers of your laundry. It has exceptional cleaning power without any bleach. It's suitable for car, bathroom, tiles, laundry, and it's biodegradable, free of phosphates, and protects the environment.